The last thing, let's show how to link the device to Amazon Alexa. First, you may want to rename the sub-devices for easier identification in Alexa. To do this, go to the main device settings, tap the three-dot icon, and select Settings. Then tap Name Sub-devices, where you can customize the names as you like. Next, go to Me, Third-party service, Alexa, and tap Link Now. You'll be redirected to the Alexa app. All you need to do is tap Link. Now the device has been discovered by Alexa, and you'll see the renamed sub-devices appear there. Linking to Google Home is very similar.